So for this first effect, you got a one framer. So these are the effects you gotta put on it to make it a one framer. You're gonna get a rectangle square and stretch it to that composition area. Then you're gonna get the copy background effect. Then you're gonna like zoom it out so like it covers the whole thing. Then you're gonna get a wave warp. Yeah, a wave warp, and just play around with it. Like, you wanna set the first keyframe values to like a high thingy, you know? Yeah, you wanna set it to a high thingy so like when it progresses through the whole motion, it looks smoother. And then the next thing you want to get is the squeeze thing. You want to set the first keyframe to like a stretchy thingy, yeah, and like the last one at normal, and use a fast keyframe, high key. Yeah, that's the first effect. The second effect is still a one framer, but like I don't think it's a one framer, but to me it is a one framer. So what you want to do is get a black square or rectangle or whatever, and stretch it to the composition, like stretch it to the composition area. Then you want to cut it down to where it's one frame, like one frame exactly. You just want to like use them to build up the motion, you know. Like, let's say you have a normal slide, you place like 1, 2, 3 in quick succession, so like when the slide ends, the transition feels like more impactful, you know? Yeah, basically that's the second. Now for like my favorite transition effect. My favorite transition effect. You want to get a pinch and a bulge effect on the first like thingy. You can see it in me. But yeah, you just put a pinch and bulge effect on the thingy. Then at the starting keyframe, you put it at like normal thing. Then at the end keyframe, you set things to high, so like it looks very zoomed out. Zoomed out. And then on the second piece of media or whatever it is, you wanna put the pinch and bulge effect again. But this time you wanna increase so that the picture or anything it bulges out, you know. Then you wanna use a bouncy keyframe so that it bounces with that motion, making the transition look smooth. Yeah, that's it basically. That's my set, 29, and we grind, to the light, the sunshine, switch it up, made it switch it up, switch it up, I made it whole switch.